Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to round all buttons in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click Online Store. The themes page opens. Go to your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The theme files page opens. In Filter Files, search for Base, CSS. File named Base, ASS, will appear. Click it to open your store's style script. All your store's appearance code is here. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press enter. Now we're going to visit the host2b.net website. The link is in the description and it has the code we'll use. We'll simply click the copy button here. After copying, we'll go back to Shopify and paste the code in the blank line. Then we'll go to the top right and click the save button. After clicking, the changes have been saved successfully. Now when you visit your store, all buttons will be rounded. On the home page, the button will already be nicely rounded. Any product page will have rounded buttons too. The cart page will also have rounded buttons. Now all buttons have a more eye-catching design than the default straight edges. I hope this video was helpful. Bye!